So I was launching, lost my VA, and I didn't touch my business for 4 days and still made sales. By the way, I have an assistant with me today. This is Little Miss. Okay, so I recently attended the Pink Skirt Summit in Kelowna, BC, which was such a great experience because by the way, I've never been to an in-person event. I've never traveled solo. I had to leave my autistic daughter behind, and I had to face my own fears that came along with all of this and stepping into that room. But honestly, getting to hear one of my mentors, Maria Wendt, live was worth the whole trip. Now, it took a lot for me to get there, and I worried about a lot of things, but one thing I didn't have to worry about was my business, thankfully. See, I knew it would be fine without me while I was fully immersed in the event and crashed in my hotel room right after, honestly, because introvert problems. Um, but here's the thing, I already set up systems to support me in seasons like this before I went, right? So I had my launch content and emails already scheduled. My students automatically received access to their purchases. And I didn't have to manage or do anything manually. I didn't have to do anything at all, actually. Now, this is set up very intentionally because realistically, we can't always be available, right? We get sick, our kids get sick, we go on vacation or to events, or we're just exhausted, right? And on those days, if you don't have the right pieces set up, the whole thing will just stop. And we don't want that because, oh, because when it stops, you're losing money, credibility, maybe even trust, depending on what's going on behind the scenes. By the way, can you hear her purring? She's a very loud purrer, but I don't know if my mic is picking that up. All right, so let me quickly walk you through what actually ran without me while I was away at this event. Now, I promise it's simple. My whole thing is make this as simple as possible for you, especially if you're not a techie person. Simple systems to hold everything together when you can't. Okay, so first is the selling. Now, before I left, I planned out and scheduled all of my launch content, emails, and IG stories. I got them queued up to go out at the exact days and times that I wanted so that I didn't have to be on my laptop at all. Even if I did have capacity to work, I wouldn't want to have to worry about managing the launch, right? I wanted those to be automatically taken care of, and they were. Thankfully, because I was completely drained and literally crashed in my hotel room each night after the event, I had no capacity to work. So, oh, cat hair. Nice. Nice, you gave me a cat hair. Okay, so this is something worth noting as well. I wrote and scheduled the emails well before the event when I had capacity to do so. I didn't wait until the last minute or panic write them at the airport. Now, I know there are a lot of procrastinators out there. I'm a recovering one too. But I'm telling you, with systems, you don't have to worry about that because the system stops you from procrastinating. It makes sure you stay ahead and scheduled at all times. So it doesn't matter what life throws at you, your system has your back always. Okay, so anyway, the emails were written in a calm, regulated state, which is important. And here's another important thing, every one of those emails was a chance to make a sale, right? So it was really important that I was in a good frame of mind while I was writing those emails. If I had waited to send them live or panic wrote them at the airport, honestly, they wouldn't have all went out and they probably wouldn't have been any good either. As I said, I was exhausted each and every night after the event. That's why I didn't lift a finger in my business while I was gone. I needed to recover and fully rest, not be writing sales emails. Now, I would love to help you with this so you can have it for yourself, but honestly, the first place to start is just getting everything out of your head. So I invite you to grab my free tool where you can brain dump everything in your head and it will turn it into a pretty list for you to put straight into Asana or whatever tool you're using. I'll link that in the description for you to check out. It's completely free. My gift to you because I want to help. I truly do. Okay, and the second thing that ran without me while I was at the event, listening to the amazing Adley Kinsman, is the actual buying and getting access for my customers. So, anyone who bought anything while I was away, and it wasn't just what I was launching it, other sales from other products come in too, but they got instant access to their purchase automatically. I didn't have to send them an email or manually add them anywhere. They made the purchase and got the product right away. Now, I know this might seem simple, but it's actually super important because a sale isn't really done until the person gets what they paid for, right? So if that step needs me, if I'm the one who has to hand over access, then I can never fully leave. Someone buys while I'm asleep and they're just waiting, confused, maybe asking for a refund before I've even seen the email. A clunky delivery, even with a great product, is how you lose the sale you already made and the referral hiding behind it. Okay, and the third thing that ran while I was at the event, listening to the amazing Jen Gottlieb, I hope I'm pronouncing her name properly, I kept showing up online without actually showing up. My content was scheduled ahead of time and kept publishing the whole time I was gone. So new people were still finding me, existing people were still being nurtured, and they were landing on the launch and buying while I was at the event, not touching any of it. This is an important one that often slips. It's not just about the sales, it's about not disappearing every time you need to step back. So here's what I actually want you to take from this. It was never about the tools. The tools are boring. Scheduled emails, automatic access, planned out content, you've heard of all of them. The real thing is when I did the work. I set all of this up before I needed it, back when I had capacity, so that when I didn't, when I was gone, when I'd just lost my VA, when I was running on empty, the business didn't need me at 100%. Because if you're honest with yourself, you know that hard week is coming, right? Or that week you need to be away. There are always things. You don't build systems for the good weeks. You build them for the week that everything falls apart so that when it does, nobody notices. So tell me in the comments, yes or no, could your business survive 4 days of you being completely gone right now or even more? I actually just want to know where you're at. So tell me yes or no in the comments. I promise no judgment. Everyone is at different places in their business. I just want to know where you're at. And if you want more of the behind the scenes of how I keep things running in the gaps of real life, that's most of what I do around here. So stick around, subscribe if it's useful to you. And because there's one piece I skipped right over, I keep saying the sales came in while I was gone, but how? Like, what actually turns a scheduled email and a checkout page into money landing in my account while I'm asleep? That's a whole system on its own, and I broke down exactly how I do it right here. So go watch that video next. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.